Hey guys, it's Ray from Marlco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here with a super quick unboxing video of the Pixel 9 Pro. My Pixel 9 Pro finally arrived today. I'm excited to open it up and give it a try. So let's start right here. So this one's a little bit different. I haven't seen them do this before, but cool little tabs there. Peel those off. Holy cow, they don't want me getting in here. Makes me feel like an idiot. There we go. Okay, got that off, and here's the box. In here we got a little sleeve with some stuff in it. So that's everything. Support, SIM tool, and then here's our phone. Also included with the phone is the USB-C to USB-C cable. There is no charging puck or anything else in there. Take the phone out. Some nice little labels here on the front of the screen there. Let's see if we can turn it on. Looks like we got a little bit of a charge there, but let's see what we got. So the label tells us we have our USB-C charging port, we got our speaker, we got our microphone, we have our SIM tool or SIM tray right there. Want to be careful with that because the microphone's right next to the SIM tray, and popping that out you might accidentally hit your microphone. Here on this side we got the power and the volume buttons. Power button works, we saw that. Here on the top we got our noise cancelling mic. We got our something right there, not sure what that is. I have to look the spec sheet a bit closer. Here we've got our camera bump, our camera bar. That thing is massive. Got all our cameras, our flashes, other sensors and things in there. Everything looks nice. Get started, we're just going to skip everything. You know, as it's doing that, I have to say, I love the look of this thing. I should say that with a little bit of a caveat. I don't like the camera bump. That thing is huge. I feel like with the 8 and the 8 Pro, they finally got it looking at a semi-normal good look to it. Now it's just sticking out there, and I can see why some people might like it, but it's not right for me. I will say, though, this thing feels really good in my hand. It feels really comfortable and really, fits very snugly there. It actually takes me back to the old days where we used to have phones without cases on them. It fits very comfortably and very snugly without having to worry about dropping it. It is kind of slick, so I probably won't be using it without a case, but it's one of those ones where I feel like I could possibly get away with it. Skipping through everything else there. And here we go. Ooh, I like that default home screen. That's a good look to it. So let's see what it ships with. It's pretty straightforward there. Not a lot of bloat. Everything looks nice and clean. It's snappy. It's responsive. Let's see that camera. Zoom is nice and clear and sharp, super fast. That's what we can do with portrait mode here. Responsive there. Not too heavy on the bokeh effect. You know, all in all, I mean, there's not a lot to look at right yet, but initial impressions are positive. Like I said, I like the feel of it. I like the way most of the way it looks, the camera bump aside. Packaging is nice and simple there, nothing too crazy. A little bit hard to open, don't like that. But all in all, it's great, and I'm excited to be playing with it and seeing what I can do. And spoiler alert, we got a ton of case videos coming up here. So if you guys have any questions about what's in the box, about the Pixel 9 Pro, about what you want me to test when I'm actually testing it, when I get to that point, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. We'll reply as soon as we're available, and we'll get that review up as soon as we can. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you're looking forward to these case videos as much as I am, and I just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.